In this video, I'm gonna to show you how to change small letters to capital in Microsoft Word. So firstly, select your text, then click on this case icon. Change the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalizations. So click on this drop down and select uppercase. That's it. So like this, you can change small letters to capital in Microsoft Word. Just select it and click on this drop down and select uppercase. There is another option like capitalize each word, toggle case, lowercase, and sentence case. And if you want to use shortcut is press shift plus F3. Press shift plus F3 so you can change small letters to capital. Thanks for watching.